Dusty cobwebs on your plants are not dust. Run.
Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's victim is a beautiful, trailing English ivy.
She was found covered in creepy, microscopic webs, slowly choking to death in a warm, dry bedroom. Imagine this. The owner thought it was just household dust and ignored the warning signs for weeks. But under that innocent dust layer, a brutal, invisible army of midnight monsters was eating her alive. I examined the weapon. Microscopic spider mites, smaller than a grain of salt, draining the plant's blood.
Are your plant leaves turning dusty and yellow? Drop a spider in the comments right now.
Have you ever thought about this? Mites thrive in warm, dry air, multiplying by the thousands every day. They pierce the leaf cells, sucking out the vital green chlorophyll sap like tiny, hungry plant vampires. This constant blood loss leaves the foliage looking speckled, yellow, washed out, and completely lifeless. Without immediate action, the leaves dry up like paper and fall off, completely destroying the plant. I conducted a visual autopsy. The undersides of the leaves were a crime scene, crawling with invisible predators. The official cause of death was avoided. We initiated an emergency tactical quarantine wash, but Ivy still had a fighting chance. We carried her straight to the emergency isolation shower. Step 1. Blast them. I washed her thoroughly in the shower with strong, lukewarm water pressure.
Ensure the water hits the undersides of the leaves, physically knocking the mite army down the drain.
Step 2. The weapon. I mixed 1 teaspoon of pure neem oil with 3 drops of dish soap.
I added warm water in a spray bottle, shaking it thoroughly to create a deadly organic pesticide.
Step 3. Extermination. I sprayed the English ivy heavily, completely soaking every single leaf and stem. Neem oil suffocates any surviving mites and completely disrupts their growth, stopping them from multiplying forever. Keep the treated plant in a cool, shaded room to prevent the oily leaves from burning. Step 4. Prevention. I set up a cool mist humidifier nearby to keep the humidity above 50%.
Mites absolutely hate high humidity. It paralyzes their breeding cycle and keeps your plants safe.
Repeat this neem oil spray treatment once every 7 days for 3 weeks to kill new eggs.
Now, Ivy has a safe, humid sanctuary where she can grow without being eaten by microscopic vampires.
Never ignore dusty leaves. A quick shower and weekly neem oil is the ultimate security system.
The Midnight Mites case is officially closed. Ivy is clean, healthy, and thriving once again.
Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Stop the microscopic plant massacres and keep your jungle safe.